Alright, so this is your week. Problem number one, if you want to draw that right down, you can. But again, these notes will get uploaded and focused. SQ bisects RST. So SQ is this ray that bisects angle RST. So these two angles are congruent. The measure of RSQ. RSQ is 3x minus 8. Write an expression for angle RST. Angle RST is this whole angle. Okay? So if these two inside angles are congruent, and one of them is 3x plus 8, isn't the other one 3x plus 8? I'm sorry, 3x minus 8? So you're going to write an expression. You're going to write an expression for this angle RST. Well, it's the sum of these two smaller angles. So it's going to be 2 times 3x minus 8. And then just put it in simplest form. Alright, what's 2 times 3x? 6x. And 2 times negative 8 would be negative 16. So there's the expression for the big angle in simplest form. Problem number 2. The complement of an angle is 45 degrees. The complement of an angle is 45 degrees. What is the measure of the angle? Well, the angle is going to be equal to 90 minus 45. So the angle is going to be equal to 45 degrees. Complementary angles sum 90. So if one of them is 45, the other is 45. Alright, so pay attention to this terminology in this question number 3. Excuse me? Alright, well again, I record this every day and I upload the notes to Focus. So if you just get behind a little bit in the notes, just move down your paper. Let's cover the next problem, and then when we're finished, you can just go on Focus and get whatever you missed. In problem number 3, angle A and angle B are a linear pair. If the measure of angle A is 3 times the measure of angle B, find A and B. Alright, that's what that terminology means right in here. If the measure of angle A equals 3 times the measure of angle B, yes. That's what I just told you twice, what this terminology means. So you've got an angle A and B are a linear pair. So you've got an angle plus another angle that's equal to 180 degrees. If we call the first angle, angle A, and this second angle B, alright? The measure of angle A equals 3 times the measure of angle B. So let's go with an X and Then solve for the x. So 3x plus x is 4x equals 180. Divide those sides by 4. And x is equal to 45 degrees. So look, pay attention now, or be careful, because the x is angle B, isn't it? Just the x is angle B. So angle B is equal to 45 degrees. Angle A is equal to 135 degrees. And in the order of the question, it says find the measure of angle A and B. So these answers are listed A first and B second. All right? So A first and B second would be answer choice D. All right, in problem number 4, MO. There's ray in the middle, bisect, LMN. The measure of angle LMO is equal to 6x minus 28. So LMO 6x minus 28. The measure of NMO is 2x plus 32. Solve for x and LMN. So if this MO is an angle bisector, these two angles are congruent. So 6x minus 28 is equal to 2x plus 32. Got 2x for each side. 4x minus 28 equals 32. Add 28 each side. So 4x equals 60. And divide each side by 4. So x is equal to 15. There's the first part of the answer. Find the measure of LMN. All right, so look, LMN is this big angle. LMN is all of it. So I'm going to find the measure of MNO and multiply that angle by 2. So MNO is equal to 2 times 15 plus 32. So MNO is equal to 30 plus 32, which is 64.
62. 62.
2 times x. 62, right? Thanks. So if MNO is equal to 62 degrees, and they're congruent, this angle is 62 degrees. So then LMN equal to 62 times 2, 124 degrees. So x is 15, LMN is 124, answer choice B. In problem number 5, angle 1 and angle 2 are linear cover. So again, we can set up this. Oh, first we'll call this angle 1 and this angle 2. The measure of angle 1 is x minus 21. Measure of angle 2 is x plus 63. Find the measure of each angle. So we can find like terms here. We have x plus an x, which is 2x. Negative 21 plus 63 is positive 42. And that's equal to 180. Okay, that's equal. So subtract 42 from each side. So 2x is equal to 138. And divide each side by 2. So x equals 69 degrees. So if we go back here, we got an x that's equal to 69. So angle 1 is equal to 69 minus 21, which is 48. And angle 2 is equal to 69 plus 60, 30, which is 132. Right, so angle 1 is 48. Angle 2 is 132. Answer choice B. All right, row number 6. Ray, MO, bisect, L and N. So these two angles we can draw. L and N. L, M, N. The big angle, this entire angle, equals 6x minus 30. LMO equals x plus 35. So LMO is x plus 35. Find the measure of LMO. So it's this other angle on the right. So if these two inside angles are congruent, don't we have another x plus 35 right here? So we have an x plus 35 plus an x plus 35 that has to equal 6x minus 30. The sum of the two smaller angles equals the overall angle. So if we combine like terms, all right, we get x plus an x, which is 2x. 35 plus 35 is 70. And that's equal to 6x minus 30. So subtract 2x from each side. 70 is going to equal 4x minus 30. Add 30 to each side. So 100 equals 4x. And divide both sides by 4. So 25 is equal to x. And if we need NMO, it's right here. NMO. NMO is equal to 25 plus 35. That's 60 degrees.
All right, problem number 7. We've got DFG and JKL are complementary. So you've got an angle plus an angle equals, if they're complementary, what do they add up to? 90. So let's call one of them DFG and the other one is JKL. DFG is x plus 4 and JKL is x minus 8. So there's your setup. So we can combine like terms. So we get an x plus an x, which is 2x. Negative 4 plus negative 8 is negative 4. And that's equal to 90. Add 4 to each side. So 2x is equal to 94. Divide each side by 2. And x equals 47. Find the measure of each angle. So if we go back to DFG here, DFG is x plus 4, so DFG equals 47 plus 4, which is 51 degrees. And JKL is equal to 47 minus 8, which is 39 degrees. So DFG 51, JKL 39, answer choice D.